Today I have the unboxing of IRENE&SEULGI's Monster bass note version. Since K-Town4U ran out of the regular, the top and the middle note versions really quick, I went ahead and ordered the bass note version only. And to be honest, I wasn't really particular about getting all the versions. Here's the track list. This is more like a magazine type of version, type of album, I mean. I got so excited by this comeback. Anyways, let's just get right into it. Seriously, like, do y'all saw Naughty? Do y'all saw the walking and the boogieing and the tutting that they did? I'm trying to move things out. I think I did. Okay, great. Ooh, this is so pretty. This era, the cover is like a poster. The poster that I got with this album was insanely pretty. So beautiful. I wanna frame it and put it somewhere in my room. Seriously. It was so pretty. Oh, I'm in love with them. Seriously. But yeah, Monster, I thought Monster was insane. Naughty was just unimaginable. And this is something weird, but I have a pet peeve with the word naughty. Naughty is like the word moist for some people, but they made me completely forget about it. Like, oh, this photo shoot is so pretty too. This era was beautiful. The songs are amazing. I've been watching them perform at the music shows and I have no words. Like, I seriously have no words. This photo book is so pretty too. For what I understand, I wasn't the only one who had trouble with K-Town4U with their albums for some reason. Oh look, these are stickers. Like, they were taking a while to ship them out. Oh, this is like the lyric book. Huh. Naughty, naughty. Yep. Wait, so does this CD include Naughty? Because as far as I know, like, the original, the top and the middle note didn't. More stickers. Oh, they're so pretty. It's gorgeous. And here's the CD. I might be wrong. I might just be tripping. Photo book is insane. They're insanely pretty. I'm in love with them. I think I already said it like 20,000 times. Honestly, this era made me want to collect Red Velvet more. Like, my Red Velvet albums are like pretty scarce right now. But oh my god, who wouldn't? Like, Seulgi is my bias from Red Velvet too, so And there you go. IRENE&SEULGI. I hate how it cuts. But yeah, I guess like that you can see it well. And here's IRENE. Alright, now let's see what we got. So poster. It doesn't really fit in the frame, but it's so pretty. It has their symbol in the corner. DSMR. 2 postcards. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I got 2 Seulgis. Oh my god. It's so pretty. And the photo card. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, this is so cute. I thought it was like covering the photo card by doing this, but no. Oh my god. So pretty. I never got it on a IRENE photo card. So cute. Alright, and the ad. So yeah. This was a pretty quick unboxing. I only have 1 album to unbox and do my thoughts on it, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy with the concept that they did. I'm so happy with them. I'm so happy with them, period. Yeah, Stream Naughty, Stream Monster, Naughty for Song of the Year. This movement, like, it's super weird. You know the movement that I tried to do, like. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.